Hi dear viewers. Welcome to Learning Physics and MCQ. Light rays are reflected in a plane mirror causing us to see in. The mirror are used in the headlights of cars. The line joining center of curvature and pole of spherical mirror known as. The position of an object inside the water is seen to be at less depth than that of actual position due to. In refraction, the color does not change, but the speed of light change due to. The speed of light in water is approximately equal to. When the sunlight falls on water drops, it separates the colors into rainbow. This due to. The bending of light for a medium with high refractive index will be. The angle at which the incident light completely reflects back to the same medium is known as. The doctor are examining a patient with endoscope. It work on the principle of. In case of triangular prism, the emergent rays and incident rays are. In a triangular prism, the angle between emergent ray and incident rays is known as. The lens which caused the incident parallel rays to converge at a point is known as. The system of two prisms whose bases are joined resembles a. The power of lens is the reciprocal of its. Thank you for watching Learning Physics and MCQ.